Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. As I said about I'm going to start about Python series. So I gave a poll. So many of you said I should start Python series. So here it is. I'm starting the Python series. First of all, we need to know what is Python. Python is a popular programming language as like C, C++, Java, and Python is a popular programming language. So who created this language? It was created by Guido van Rossum, and when the Python programming was released in 1991. So it has many uses. It can be used for web development. I'm just giving an introduction. You will be able to understand it later in future videos. It can be used in software development and also in mathematics. So you can know that it's very interesting language. So many of you will question, what can Python do? What is the need of Python? What can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web applications. So you all create websites. So Python can be used there also. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. At this point you will understand it later in future videos. Python can connect to database systems. You all know DBMS, database management systems. It can also read and modify files. So Python can also read and modify files. Suppose you have written a very large program, you can read or modify some lines. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. That's a good point. Python can be used to handle big data. Python can handle big data. If you are writing big program, there will be big data. Complex mathematics. It's an interesting feature in Python. We will understand it better by doing some languages. So now the question is, why Python? Many of you will question, why Python? Why not Java? Why not C++? Why not C? Why Python? Why Python is unique? Why Python is better than others? So here it is. Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux. Python, the main important point, the Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. We all know English. So Python has a similar simple syntax. You don't have to remember so much syntaxes. Everyone's brain is not solid. I also forget many things. I don't remember only. So Python is very helpful here. Python has syntax that allows developer to write program with fewer lines than some other programming language. Suppose you are doing a program in Java or suppose C or C++. You have to use brackets, class. In Python, we will look at it afterwards. In Python you can see as suppose sum of numbers you can do in one line. Suppose you are doing in C++ or Java, you can't do. You have to input it, class, input, then print, that's it. The last point is Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as it is written. So Python is fast. The code will be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. The prototype will be very quick in Python. So I gave you the introduction. From next day onwards, I will implement and show you how to write codes easily in Python. Thank you for watching this video.